Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Aluminum Viking Series Wheel with Machined Lip and Face Gloss. Beautiful paint and machining options. Ultralight aluminum alloy. 2-year manufacturer's defect finish warranty. Valve stem not included. Trailer use only. Number 2. TIKI brand Smokeless 25 inches. Patio fire pit. Smokeless fire pit, internal patented airflow system yields low smoke and less ash, meaning no more dodging smoke or starting late night laundry. Sit back and rethink your backyard fire pit. High quality and easy cleanup, 16-gauge stainless steel powder coated black finish for protection. The outdoor fire pit features a removable ash pan, creating a hassle-free, easy-to-clean fire pit. Real warmth made easy, the smokeless patio fire pit radiates a large, robust flame with a 4-foot heat radius, keeping you warm on a cool night. Number 3. Viking Series Aluminum Wheel with Silver Gloss Finish and Capital. Beautiful paint and machining options. Ultralight aluminum alloy. 2-year manufacturer's defect finish warranty. Valve stem not included. Trailer use only. Number 4. Michael Pro RIM 17 by 8.5 black wheel with polished. Upgrade your vehicle, transform the look and performance of your vehicle with the Michael Pro wheel, the perfect addition for any Toyota Tacoma, 4Runner, or TRD Pro owner. Unmatched quality, built to last, the Michael Pro wheel is made with aluminum to ensure durability and strength on any terrain. Enhanced performance, the Michael Pro wheel is designed to provide excellent handling, stability, and traction, improving your vehicle's overall performance. Number 5. 18, for PC Gloss Black Wheel Skins, a set of 4, for Ford Edge 2019. Will not work with chrome-clad wheels. Your wheel style must be an exact match to the pictured wheel skins for proper fitment. Featuring a quality chrome finish. 15-inch, 5-spoke style. Mounts easily and securely to your factory alloy wheels. Constructed from high-quality automotive ABS plastic.